Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss on the answers of social stock exchange course which was offered by the NISM. And if you don't aware it, I already make a video what is social stock exchange course, who can take it and how many hours to complete it. Then I'll provide the link and already make that video. I'll provide that link in the description box. You can watch it from there. And if you want to know about how many courses which was offered by NISM for free of cost, then I'd already make a video on that. I'll provide that links also in the description box so that you can watch it. So let's start the quiz. Question 1. Which of the following is not a stage in money laundering? Option A, layering. Option B, structuring. Option C, integration. Option D, placement. So the right answer is structuring. Which entities are recognized as FPEs in the context of SSE, a trust registered under Maharashtra Public Charitable Trust Act? Option B, a society registered with the Registrar of Societies, Delhi. Option C, a company incorporated under Section 8 of the Companies Act 2013. And option D, a company incorporated under the Company Act 2013 operating for profit. So the right answer is option C, a company incorporated under Section 8 of the Companies Act 2013. Find what is not a part of the fundraising process on SSE. Option A, open for comments for 21 days. Option B, social impact assessment of the listed project. Option D, preparation of draft fundraising document. Option D, allotment and listing of exchanges on exchanges. So the right answer is social impact assessment for the listed project. Question 4. Which among the following is not a financial goal? Option A, buying a house worth rupees 1 crore present cost in 5 to 6 years. Option B, accumulating a retirement corpus of rupees 4 crore in next 12 years. Option C, a family vacation during coming summer holidays which may cost close to rupees 2 lakh. Option D, changing the job with a 40% salary hike. The right answer is option D, changing the job with a 40% salary hike. Identify the one type of instrument through which FPEs cannot raise fund on the SSCs. Option A, issue of debt instrument. Option B, ZC/ZP. Option C, issue of equity shares. Option D, issues of equity share to a social impact fund. So the right answer is ZC/ZP. Which among these types of entities are recognized as social enterprise for the purpose of SSE? Option A, corporate fund. Option B, for profit social enterprise. Option C, political or religious organization. Option D, professional or trade organization. So the right answer is option B, for profit social enterprise. Which of these option is not required as key disclosure in the fundraising document? Option A, governance, management and operations. Option B, financial credibility and compliances. Option C, facilities provided for employees. Option D, risk factors, social impact of past project, solution implementation plan. So the right answer is facility provided for employees. As per the criteria of NPOs to register on SSC, what is the minimum annual spending required? Option A 30 lakh, option B 45 lakhs, option C 50 lakh, option D 60 lakh. So the right answer is 50 lakh. What is the minimum percentage of eligibility? Eligible activities based on revenue, expenditure, or customer beneficiary base to qualifying for SSC registration. Option A, the 50%, option B, 80%, option C, 75%, option D, 67%. So the right answer is option D, 67%. What is an incorrect condition for assurance of ZCZB? Option A, minimum subscription required is 75% of fund proposed to be raised. Option B, minimum application size is rupees 5,000. Option C, the specific project or activities fall under eligible activities. Option D, minimum issue size of ZCZP is rupees 50 lakh. So the right answer is minimum issue size of ZCZP is 50 lakh. After that, finish quiz. You can see I get 80%, 8 are rights. After that, click here to continue. You can see I get my certificate. It can be shared. You can share in Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn also, and you can add to a LinkedIn profile, or you can or else you can download the certificate here. So here you can download your certificate. After that, after completing the course, you can post this certificate on LinkedIn because it customizes your LinkedIn profile matter. Plus, you can add certificate under LinkedIn profile certification. It will increase the value of your profile and it will become more professional look. And it will look more professional. After completing this course, when you will get your certificate, share it on LinkedIn and tag me. Through this, I can also get to know about how many people are completing this course after seeing this video. And friends, if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for daily updates. And if you think your friends will also get help from this video, then please share this video to your friends and colleagues.